children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Yes, now welcome back to our story. Today's story is The Greedy Farmer. What is greedy, children? Greedy means, the meaning of greedy is everything I only want. I want this, I want that, I will not give to anyone, I will not share with anyone. That is called as greedy, okay? And what is farmer? Farmer, you learned in your GK topics, our helpers, okay? Farmer will grow crops for us. He will work in the fields, he will grow crops for us. We will eat, no, the rice, chapati, whatever it is, all those the farmer will grow the crops, okay? See, look children, he is a farmer. Farmers look like this and they will go with a plough into the fields and they do agriculture. They grow all fruits, vegetables, rice, wheat, everything. So, this farmer was having a beautiful farm. Okay, what is farm, children? Beautiful farm. In a farm, we will have all animals, domestic animals, goat, sheep, hen, duck, goose, all those he used to have. Farmer used to have a farm. And in that farm, he used to have a special goose. Look here, children. A goose, a special goose. This goose was very fat. And what is this special? Why I am telling special? Because it will lay an egg daily. Yes, everything, every birds, I mean hen, duck, all the birds in the farm lay eggs. But something special in this goose. You know what is that? Yes, one day the farmer was shocked to see that. That's why he said that this is a special goose. Why? Because this goose laid a golden egg. See children, golden egg, golden egg. The farmer was shocked. What is this? What am I seeing? Golden egg? My goose is laying golden egg in my farm? Wow, very nice. Now, what can I do with this? Yes, I'll go to the shop and I will sell this golden egg so that I will get more money. And daily the farmer used to go to the shop, sell it and bring money. Okay, like this, within few days, the farmer became very rich. Big house, all gold jewels for his wife and big nice farm, many animals. He became very rich he became. And with that richness, he became greedy. What is greedy, children? I said in the beginning of the story, everything he wants. He wants to become more rich. He wants to construct one more house. He wants to buy one more house. He wants to buy one more farm. He wants to become more and more rich. So, what he did? He was thinking, sitting and thinking, what can I do? So, he thought that this goose is so fat, but this is laying only one egg. I think there are many eggs in his stomach. There are many eggs in his stomach. So, if I cut this goose, then all the eggs I will get, and at a time I will go and sell all the eggs and I will become more rich. Okay, like that the farmer thought. And what he did? He went and he cut. He saw here and there and he brought a knife and he cut the goose. And what happened? See here, children. He cut the goose. But if we cut the goose, will he get the eggs, children? No. The goose are not there. This is not a storehouse. This is its stomach. This will not have eggs in its stomach. Daily one egg only it can give. It can't give. It will not have many eggs in its stomach. So what happened? The goose died. The goose died. And this farmer's wife, she got very angry and she scolded him a lot. See, because of your greediness, you are so greedy, you became so selfish and you cut this, you killed the goose, such a nice goose which used to lay one golden egg daily, and now you will not get anything. You will not get any one egg also daily. You killed because of your greediness. You killed the goose. See here. So after that, the farmer felt very sorry, felt very sad. He cried a lot. But what is the use? Will the goose come back? No, the goose will not come back. Isn't it? So here in this flashcards you can see golden egg, and went to the shop and he gave the egg, golden egg, and took money. And after that he became very rich and he was so greedy. He became greedy and he cut the goose. Finally what happened? He lost. Whatever he was having, he lost. So with this, what is the moral of the story, children? You should not be greedy. You should be satisfied with what you want, what you have. Okay, you should not think that you only should want this I want, that I want. Only I should have everything. Nobody should have anything. I only should look beautiful. I only should eat nicely. I will not share with others. You should not tell like that. You should not think like that. Okay, then only you can be happy in your life. Understood, children? So this greedy farmer story, it is there in your term 3 book for UKG children. So try to see the pictures and learn to read the sentences, simple sentences you will have word by word. Now you learn many things in English and GK, has, have, grammar, can, cannot, could, all those things you learn. So I think you know all those spellings. Try to learn the story. And one thing you have to do is, in this third term, all the UKG students should learn one story, take a video and send it to me. That storytelling video will carry marks. Okay children, these marks will be added for your annual worksheet, annual exams. Compulsory, you should, in 2 stories are there. I will tell the other story also. These 2 stories, you should learn. Any one story you learn, take a video and send it to me. Thank you.